Hey family, hey friends, family, tastemakers, posh partners. I'm at Lidl. I thought I was done with all of my shopping, all of my grocery shopping, but Lidl had some deals. So I'm gonna check them out, see what's going on, okay? And I'll come back later. Okay family, I just left Lidl. It was kind of busy in there, so I didn't film inside. And so I got some oil. This was like the cheapest oil I've seen. I think it was $2.69 vegetable oil and some pork rinds. And the special was if you bought $25 in groceries, then you got your ham. It was a spiral sliced ham with a glaze for 95 cents per pound. So I got a ham here. And just some veggies, my veggie bag. I make a lot of soup, so a lot of peppers and onions and over here. And what I did to get that 20, because I'm pretty much stocked at the house, but I can always use some more like deli meat. So I stocked up on like bacon. They had bacon on sale, Italian sausage. I got like $25 worth of that. And then that gave me my ham. And so that's all I got. All right. I'll do another haul at the house. Okay, guys, leaving Lidl. And it was a pleasant experience. Normally, I'm like the first one in the store. But I kind of took, it's the holiday week, so I just took my time, did some things around the house, and when it warmed up enough, I just got out. And yeah, they normally would have had, people were getting those hams, honey. And I had two at first, and I put one back. But yeah, so that's the only thing that got me out of the house today, because my mission was this week was going to be my vacation. And I like to get all of my shopping done and organization done a couple weeks ahead of time. And like if anything special or anything interesting comes up, then I have a little money in my budget to get that. So I think that's all. I've been to Dollar Tree this month. I've been to Kroger this month and Lidl. I didn't go to Aldi this month. I didn't need to. They're not impressive anymore like they used to be. At least the one around me. And yeah. Okay guys, I made it back from Lidl and the prize was the ham. Now Lidl had a deal. If you bought $25 worth of other groceries, then you can get your ham. This is a nice bone-in spiral sliced ham with a glazed packet. You can get it for 95 cents per pound. And so I got, it was originally $2.49 per pound. This is a 9-pound ham. So the original price was $23.93. So I must have gotten it for like $11. Oh, sorry about that. My phone said I had low battery. Okay, so I'll make this quick. Okay, so I got the ham because I purchased collard greens. And really, the only reason I like ham, I like it for the bone. I like to put season my greens and season my beans with a ham. So everyone else can eat the flesh. Okay, and the strategy for me is when they say you need to buy $25 worth of stuff, that's when I buy $25 worth of protein. It's like they had these chicken breast tenderloins for 30% off. They had these on sale, grass-fed beef. These were $5, $4.99. And then We have the hot Italian sausages. These were $2.49 each, so that's $5. Here's $10. Here's $15. And then I got some bacon. Bacon, this was $4.95. I mean, no, $4.45. Got bacon. And then I just get all my proteins, and I got some eggs. So all of that, and I got a variety. And then I got my greens, because the greens have been bad. The fresh greens have been terrible around here. So at least I'll have some for New Year's. So I got the greens, eggs. So that's a little over $25. Then I got the ham. So this was all in my budget. So I got the ham for $11. So when I spent my $30, $32 at the most. All right, so that's how I do it. So that is how I, can get those because now they're putting so many stipulations on these deals. So that's what's going on today, guys. I think I'm hungry and I'm kind of under the weather. So I'm gonna fry up some of these tenderloins. Just have some fried chicken tenders because I have some oil that I fried. I fried up some wings for hubby the other day. So I'm going to use that oil since it's still good. Okay, guys, thanks. See you later. Bye.